I'm Scott. My wife and I, Chris, own Woods and Meadows. And we're out here today hunting some pheasants in the beautiful October weather.
Hi, my name is Dave Noalk. I'm out here hunting for pheasant today with my lovely assistant, Lori, my wife. And we hope to get a couple birds today. Beautiful fall day. Glad to be here.
Wife, and apparently I'm helping today. I have no idea what I'll be doing, but I'll give it a whirl.
You ready? Back!
Right hand to the corn.
Okay, we'll get him. Point, isn't it? Double point. Okay, it's in the grass right ahead of us here. There he goes! Come on! Thanks. Come on. Come on, Greta, come on. Right here. Ah, no. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Good shooting, bud. Nice double point. Let's get a pitch. That's a prettier bird.
Oh yeah, he is a nice one.
There he goes! Back! Come on, back!
Got it. Got it.
Come on, girls! Are they bringing it back? Good girl. Come here. Addie. Addie, come on. Come on. Right here. Right here. Right here. Good girl. Should we give you a little break? Yeah, let's just give them a break. It's getting pretty warm out here. Boy, that pizza and chili's gonna taste good, isn't it? Is your stomach growling?